Pasta, its origins shrouded in the mists of time, journeyed from the hidden recipes of ancient kitchens to the lively markets of medieval trade routes. Did it travel west, following Marco Polo's legendary expeditions, or spring forth from the inventive hands of Mediterranean chefs? With every twist of spaghetti and coil of linguine, we savour not just the taste, but the allure of pasta's mysterious past, urging us to relish every delightful enigma. Our journey begins at the source, where we collect the finest durum wheat harvested from sun-kissed fields. Upon its arrival at the factory, this wheat undergoes a careful process, transforming into the golden ingredient that lies at the core of every pasta shape. After careful cleaning to eliminate impurities, the wheat kernels move on to the milling area. Here, they are finely ground into flour, meticulously processed to achieve the ideal texture for crafting pasta. Within the mixing chamber, water is slowly incorporated into the flour, achieving an impeccable fusion of ingredients. Subsequently, this blend undergoes meticulous kneading, fostering the development of wheat proteins and resulting in a seamless, elastic dough. The dough is now ready to be transformed into the various shapes and sizes that characterize the world of pasta. This transformation occurs through a technique known as extrusion. The extruder is equipped with a substantial metal die featuring small perforations tailored to each pasta shape. As the dough is fed through this die, it is compelled through these tiny apertures, taking on the defined forms of the pasta from spaghetti to fusilli, panette to farfalle. The extruder skillfully creates a wide array of pasta shapes, each with its unique character and purpose. After shaping, the pasta enters a vital stage, drying. This process lowers moisture levels and extends shelf life. The pasta strands are meticulously arranged on drying racks or conveyor belts, where they air dry gradually and naturally. The drying process duration varies, ranging from several hours to days, depending on the pasta's shape and thickness. It's within this time frame that the pasta attains its distinctive al dente texture, ensuring quality is paramount in the pasta factory. Skilled technicians meticulously oversee the drying process, guaranteeing that the pasta maintains its intended qualities. Samples undergo rigorous testing for texture, color, and consistency, adhering to our rigorous standards. Now that the pasta is impeccably dried, it enters the final phases. Each strand is meticulously packaged, either in bags or boxes primed for transportation to kitchens and store shelves worldwide. Thanks for watching another episode of Frankie How's It Made. We'll see you in the next video.